How to fix Instagram login error on Android. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. If you're facing this issue where you're trying to log into your Instagram account and you're not being able to do so, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. So first things first, make sure that the credentials that you're entering are correct, the email address and the password. Make sure that you are entering in the correct information and try to log in again. If you know that the information are correct, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the cache and data of your Instagram account. So hop back out, tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to app info. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called clear data. Just tap on the clear all data option. Once you complete this process, try to see if you can now log in. If you're still facing the issue, the second thing that you can try out is try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your phone and then again reinstall it. By doing these simple steps, you'll likely solve the simple glitch which might be causing this issue. Now apart from this, what you'll also need to make sure is that you are not using any sort of VPN while trying to log into your Instagram account. Also, you can wait out a couple of minutes before you try to log into your account again. By doing these simple steps, you should be now able to fix the Instagram login error on your Android phone. If this video did help you out, do let me know. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.